Hi guys, good afternoon. My name is Lakasagba. I'm here to teach us how we can repair our local drums. Yes, our African local drums when it got torn in our home. Yes, simple and perfect. What will you need? You need your spanner, you need your plier, you need your scissors. Yes, so that is just simple instrument that you need. Then you need your top bond also. You need your top bond also to do what? To make it perfect. Yes, you need your animal skin. This is called animal skin. Yes, animal skin. So example, this is the drum that burst that you want to do what? That you want to repair. Then you need your spanner to do what? To lose it. That is the first processing. Lose it all. You lose it. You lose it all. We lose it all. So after doing that, you have to do what? Remove it. Then you need to do what? To remove the ring out of the skin. So this is the ring. Then we are still using the ring. So what next now? Next thing is that you will cut the size of the skin you are using. You will cut it out. Let's go. Then we cut it out. So this is what we need, and this is what will be the one that we put inside water. This is our water. Then we have to soak it for some minutes for it to be dissolved. Let's go. Put it down. After a few moments later, the skin has dissolved. Now for us to do what? The skin has dissolved now. Have you seen it? Now it's time for us to do what? To squeeze it, to be softened before we can do what? Lay it on the surface of our. Now it has been softened. Now to lay on heat now. Then put it back into the water for some minutes to dissolve more. So after that, you are putting your top bond by the side. Putting your top bond by the side for proper gumming so that it will not remove. Then insert your ring inside. Then start. Now it's ready to fixing. So hi guys, congratulations. If that you have not subscribed to my channel, do to subscribe, like and share for other people to benefit. My name is Lakasagba once again. Let's go. Now is to cover it now. That's it. Add a little water on it so that it will not dry. Put your rim. This is your rim. Add it on it. Yes. Time. This is your oil. This is engine oil. Then you put it on the boat. Have you seen it? Put it on the trend. On the trend, so that it will be easy for the knot to be tied. So let's go. Then notice one, two, 1, 2. The other place will be the second option. Press it a little bit so that the boat can keep. It's time for you to do what? To be tuning it, because you cannot play it like this because it will spoil your hand. You have to do what? As it's still wet now, you have to do what? Tighten it. Let all this rim to do what? To calm down, so that it will be easy for you to play. Let's go. Notice. Now we have tightened it. Have you seen it? Now it has come down. So now after this, you clean the head, clean the surface. Then I paste my stamp on it. So now it is ready to sun. Yes, you have to put it in the sun so that for it to be dry. So but now it has ready now. Just dry it. After some minutes I will be back. 30 minutes. But to dry. So hi guys, after 30 minutes it will dry, then we have already done. So guys, it's already done now. It has dry after some minutes. So so if that you have never subscribed to my channel, do to subscribe now. Next time I'll be teaching you how to make talking drum, how to repair talking drum. Yes, from the scratch to the end. Follow me for more. Bye.